Ken Hanulec here. Welcome to Engage 2021. I'm excited to be with you all today, albeit in a virtual manner. Truth be told, I'm even more excited to see many of you at the events and trade shows the second half of the year, and of course share a meal, story, and laugh with you at Connect 2021. Today I will take you through a display graphics update. The focus for this session will be trends and customer innovations during a global pandemic, the amazing product power we bring to market to help customers lower their costs and enable new applications. I will speak about some specialty applications, including some real-time convergence we see happening in the market. I will discuss how EFI productivity software, EFI services, and Fiery are driving hyper-efficiency into printing companies of all sizes and types. And finally, a look forward from our perspective to what lies ahead. This is an amazing time in history. There's so much going on. When we look across the globe, we see massive trends that are a forcing function to accelerate the analog to digital shift in so many supply chains and, of course, print. Everyone knows how Amazon is having a profound impact on the buying experience. It is enabling you to get what you want, when you want it, where you want it, 7 days a week, and in some geographies, you can get your order in just hours. Yes, hours. We have seen and heard about the green movement for many years. It seems as if society is a bit more committed now. We have a responsibility to reduce energy consumption, provide greener solutions like water-based inks, LED curing, or software to drive efficiency to new levels, all helping to reduce waste. The Amazon effect is causing a shift in retail from retail to e-tail or online. We believe storefronts will come back just in a different form. Pop-up stores, a focus on local goods and products, all helping to continue to proliferate print in many forms. Time to market. I want it now is the new expectation. We have to react that way to have viable goods and services for the markets we serve. There are new buyers. They have an it's mine mentality. And tribes, you know, those Apple fanatics or those Patagonia superfans. We have to dial our messaging specifically to them or we miss out. This is enabling print in so many ways. Finally, in a mature business, there is margin pressure, so we must help companies split pennies in half to drive profitability. We all know there are serial entrepreneurs in the print business. We have witnessed this firsthand during the pandemic. We saw many new applications almost overnight, including divisional graphics, distancing graphics, safeguard graphics, and more, all providing a high-value utility factor to society across the globe. Many of those new innovations were born directly from print customers. The Olympus Group and CGDI leveraged our industrial textile soft signage products to produce safety masks. Image Options helped with divisional graphics and rapid temporary shelters, including beds leveraging EFI ViewTech hybrid printers. Franzen also helped with many printed PPE products. EFI has an incredible, powerful innovation network that is helping us to accelerate the analog to digital conversion of many forms of print. This network across the globe is working in a synchronized manner to bring world-class products and services to help print businesses of all types and sizes reduce their running costs or enable new applications, and in many cases, both. As you look at the global map, you can clearly see the power of 3,000 dedicated, passionate employees are coming together to make a difference in so many ways. In just a few minutes, you'll see firsthand how this innovation network is accelerating product development. As I stated earlier, I will focus on the display graphics product for this talk. It's important to point out that there are many new product developments coming from all the business units, and as the print supply chain continues to converge across segments and applications, EFI is poised to highly leverage innovation to help with the digitization of all forms of print. Now let's jump into some product updates. I'll begin with the super high-speed segment. You've heard me speak about the H-Series printer. We've been very successful with this latest version of the EFI ViewTech hybrid printer. Today we're announcing the newest member to our product family, the EFI ViewTech XT hybrid printer and the EFI single pass printer for display graphics. Both of these new products continue to position EFI as a leader in the high productivity display graphics segment. These printers are fast and big. Let me share some details with you. The EFI ViewTech XT printer. This is the fastest ViewTech printer ever built. The goal of the EFI ViewTech XT hybrid printer is to drive a significant lower total cost of ownership. We will accomplish this in a few ways. The printer is fast. It produces superior throughput at 375 boards per hour, or even more if you leverage multi-up print capability. Of course, when speaking about this level of performance, there are material handling requirements, and at time of launch, we plan to have pallet-to-pallet automation, lean automation with manual assist, jumbo roll capability for flexible applications, and of course, robotic solutions. We have completely redesigned the ink delivery system. This is so powerful, we're calling it out as a sub-brand, the CP5G system. We will leverage advanced circulation resulting in better ink yields, superior drop placement for the best possible image quality, 5 picoliter drops and grayscale to support fine image quality. We believe the CP5G technology is the catalyst to make 4-color only printing the new standard in digital print. By removing the need for 8-color printing, there's an opportunity for an economic disruption in terms of cost per square foot or cost per square meter. In order to deliver the I/O needed to support the throughput of 370 boards per hour, you need a high-performance front end, and for that we have Fiery and its advanced workflow systems. Fiery Intensify is a color gamut expansion technology to enable new applications. Fiery Ink Optimizer further supports the lowest possible running cost. Next generation VDP technology supports relevant and variable messaging board by board. Skip White drives up productivity. EFI IQ is a cloud-based intelligence tool that allows management and operators to drive hyper-efficiency printing factories from anywhere at any time, all in the cloud. Nozzle out compensation assures maximum runtime, and full integration with EFI productivity software suites allows for the most efficient factories. Finally, if shuttle-based technology in the high-speed category does not meet your productivity needs, we have the EFI single-pass printer for display graphics. This printer offers customers the lowest cost per square foot or square meter, the greatest application range, the most efficient press to handle burst capacities. You have the capability to print one or print many, including thousands, and you have the widest possible color gamut with CMYK, optional orange and violet, and of course high-value white. Some further details: you have the capability to print up to 1,000 boards per hour. It's got a 1.6 meter width. You can print up to 3.2 meters in length, and the printer can be configured to meet your customer's specific needs. Of course, to drive up to 1,000 boards an hour, you have the Fiery Blade continuous feed digital front end system, and you have many material handling options. We're really excited about the new product introduction on the high-speed category. Let me know if you want to learn more about those products. Now let me speak to you about the roll-to-roll print category. EFI, for over 30 years, has been innovating with the roll-to-roll printer technology. A few years ago, when EFI acquired Matan, our commitment was to provide the most efficient and productive roll-to-roll printers to the market, and we delivered. And as you're about to hear, we're delivering again with another breakthrough roll-to-roll printer in terms of speed and productivity. EFI has the broadest 3-meter and 5-meter roll-to-roll print-to-finish products available on the market today. Our entry-level production class printer, the EFI Pro 32R Plus, our D-Series printer for the widest application versatility, our high-speed R-Series printers, and now the newest addition to our fleet, the Q-Series printers, available in both 3-meter and 5-meter, and it's fast at over 680 square meters per hour. We believe we should no longer look at the printer alone. We need to look at these high-performance engines as a component in the complete roll-to-roll ecosystem. Fully integrated job submission via the Productivity Suite software, superior RIP and color management performance thanks to the amazing Fiery technology, EFI IQ for business intelligence in the cloud, amazing ink innovation including the 3M MCS warranted ink, and beyond the print engine itself, a series of high-value options to drive the most productive print factories in the world. This printer is commercially available today, and we have a handful of companies that have been very successfully running this printer platform for the past few months. Now let me speak to you about the hybrid printer category. EFI built a big part of the display graphics brand on hybrid printers. We have one of the broadest hybrid portfolios today, starting with the wide format line and then moving up to the ViewTech products. As you can see in the yellow dot callouts, we have a very diverse productivity range in terms of boards per hour. It's essentially invest in your desired capacity and productivity. Now let me share a little bit about our newest wide format printer, the Pro 32H hybrid printer. If I go back in time to the days of the PressView, ViewTech printers, we had a real winner on our hands. This dates me a bit, but fast forward to today. We're excited to announce the EFI Pro 32H printer. This printer fits in what we call the wide format band, and it sits in the sub $200,000 product category. We believe there's a high volume potential of this printer, as we know there's a lot of demand elasticity when you stay below the $200,000 category. The printer has a wonderful specification, productivity, and feature set to become the hybrid workhorse for anyone wanting to get into the 3.2 meter hybrid printer at a very attractive acquisition cost. This printer will be commercially available in May of this year, and we're well through our commercialization process. EFI has the most comprehensive soft signage portfolio on the market today. As stated earlier, we're leveraging innovation across a global EFI network. Here's a real-world example. The Colors and Powers products are highly leveraged from the industrial textile Reggiani products. These are high-performance shuttle-based printers with sticky belt technology. For soft signage applications, they enable both direct and indirect printing at the highest production speeds possible. In addition to the high-speed shuttle-based soft signage printers, we have the production class FabReview family. It's available in 1.8 meter, 3.4 meter, and 5.2 meter widths. The 3.4 meter product comes both in inline sublimation and nearline sublimation versions. The inline sublimation version eliminates the need for a costly heat press and also runs at a substantially lower running cost. When we consider the EFI Reggiani digital printers and the EFI soft signage printers, there are over 1,350 printers installed worldwide. We're excited today to announce the newest soft signage printer called the FabReview 340 Plus. The FabReview 340 Plus offers the widest application range, the lowest total cost of ownership in the market, the highest possible ink yield, and the lowest acquisition cost. It's built upon 50 years of industrial textile printing heritage. We're excited for this product to come to market in the May timeframe, and if you'd like to learn more, let's have a conversation. Let's talk about the wide format and specialty segment. EFI is committed to the wide format category. 50% of our global business comes from our wonderful distribution network. This product line is an important part of our channel go-to-market strategy. On the display graphics and commercial segments, the wide format products play an important role enabling small shops of many types to enter the production class world of digital printing. The Pro Series is a comprehensive portfolio for our direct and indirect channels, starting with the Pro 16H hybrid printer, the flatbeds, the Pro 24F and Pro 30F, and the new 3.2 meter hybrid I spoke about earlier, the Pro 32H, and the Pro 32R Plus dedicated roll-to-roll printer. EFI has the answer for anyone interested in the production class area of print. Back on the theme of leveraging innovation, EFI is using the fact that we co-developed the printer with the ink and the coatings to enable real-world applications. We think of these as adjacent market opportunities to the traditional display graphics segment. A few examples are digital thermoforming for three-dimensional signage. This is enabled by a special high elongation ink and special curing systems. Luxury vinyl tile, where we use high-speed roll-to-roll printing with inline clear coating to help digitize this market. Finally, we partner with 3M on the traffic and roadway safety signage application using unique ink and film-based technology. On ink innovation, I think to some extent we take ink for granted. There are some amazing innovations with not only colored ink, but also coatings and white ink. When you get the configuration correct, there are literally endless application possibilities. We have global teams working around the clock on ink innovations that will further advance our efforts on display graphics and packaging breakthroughs. Remember, EFI was a pioneer in LED Cure ink printing. Stay tuned as we work diligently on the next big ink innovation. It might include and/or involve some curing breakthroughs as well. We spoke a lot about printer and ink technologies. Given the speed and performance, it's critical to get the efficient workflows correct in the factory to capitalize on all the capacity available of these new printers. To that end, we're announcing advances in our mid-market print suite version 9. There are advances in visibility and reporting for receiving, shipping, distribution, and invoicing. There are new ways to rapidly build out product as our customers' business grow. And of course, it's highly scalable product to support the future needs of our customers. We've also made enhancements to the multi-location estimating features. Market Direct Storefront is a powerful tool with an easy-to-use web-to-print system that offers businesses of all types to acquire customers via an online, flexible e-commerce solution. There are so many reasons Fiery remains as such a mainstay in the display graphics world. Here are a few reminders. EFI exclusive acceleration technology, EFI Fast Rip. This eliminates the need for idle printer time, maximizing on-printer investments. Best-in-class color. EFI developed proof-grade color management with many color innovations that get the very best from a printer. Part of an all-unified Fiery-driven print room. Every device in a print shop can be driven from Fiery Command Workstation, the most popular digital print job management interface in the world. It's a central hub of the EFI ecosystem. We seamlessly connect to EFI's web-to-print solution, Market Direct Storefront, EFI Pace, EFI's Print MIS solution. It's a business-savvy solution, cost-effective, scalable offerings to suit all environments, plus affordable yearly maintenance that include both software updates and support directly from EFI. Finally, it's an industry-leading learning platform. There's comprehensive free online learning for everybody. On services, as our customers react to the mega trends of today, it's critical that EFI provide world-class global support when they want it, where they want it. EFI is committed to maximizing the productivity of our customers. We continue to leverage all available technology to build the most reliable products, but when challenges arrive, we are there on many, many levels, including break-fix service, training, professional services, real-time cloud-based analytics, all with the simple aim to keep our customers running to drive profitability to new levels. A few key takeaways for 2021 and beyond. We're going to help our customers recover and grow their business. We're going to leverage innovation to drive hyper efficiencies for our customers and their factories. We're going to enable the digitization of new applications. We're going to continue to drive the analog to digital conversion in all the markets we serve. And finally, we're going to leverage EFI innovation to accelerate time to market of new technology. All of these points drive at two simple facts. We're going to help our customers be more profitable, and we're going to help our customers do new things they can't currently do today. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. On behalf of the 3,000 EFI employees, we're so grateful for your constant support and partnership. Stay healthy and safe, and we look forward to seeing you in person sometime soon. Thank you.